Good morning. Namaste and welcome. This is my second class. We are talking about article. Today we will focus on the rule of A and N. A and N. So let's, as I have already told you, A is used. Let me write A. Article A is used before countable countable noun that start with a consonant sound, but not later. Article A is used before countable noun that starts with a consonant sound but not later. For example, a book. Book is countable. Yes. A pen. Yes. A we. Yes. Similarly, a useful cat, etc. Here, book, consonant sound. Similarly, pen, paw. So consonant sound. This is you, and this is consonant sound. Useful, again you. This one is consonant, so that's why even though it starts with a vowel, these two are start with a vowel. But what is used? A is used. What is the reason? Because it is concerned with the sound but not the letter. Similarly, N. What is N? So article N is used before countable before singular countable noun. Before here also singular before singular countable noun that start with a vowel sound but not later. That must be vowel sound, even though it is consonant letter is used at first, but the pronunciation is uh, vowel sound. Then what is used? Article N is used. For example, an elephant. So here start also consonant. Sorry, starting the letter is also vowel and sound is also vowel. An elephant. Similarly, an ant, an axe. Yes, and some words are there that start with the consonant letter, but exactly they are vowel, like an honorable person. Similarly, an hour. It is hour, an hour, or honorable, or honorable. Understand? So in this way, article A and N is used. Remember, article A and N always used before singular countable noun. And what is the difference? If starting sound is consonant, then A is used. If starting sound is a vowel sound, then N is used. So this is the general rule related to article A and N. So some more rules are there related with the article A and N uh, that I am going to write over here. Okay. Now see here. Sometime what happens? The abbreviation form of some organization, group, or any noun is written there. Abbreviation form, like young a example. He is dot dot am a student. He is am a student. He is am a student. So here you can see here. In this case, what you have to write? You have to write this in Nepali. How it is written? M. So here M. This is vowel sound. So M. So remember in abbreviation form, if such type of question is there, so every time pronounce it, how it is pronounced and which sound comes first, like M. Similarly B, like a BBS student, a BBS B. So here pronouncing is also B. So consonant, that's why a BBS student. Remember, don't forget about that. In abbreviation form also the same rule that I have written, that is applied. Next one, A and N is used with countable, like related, especially related with the countable number, like a dozen, 100. If it is singular, 100, 1,000, and there. If it is used as a number, countable numbering, I have 100 rupees. I have 100 rupees not. I have 100. Sorry, I have 100 rupee not. So I is used. Understand? Similarly, next one is there, rate, for the rate one. Yes. Uh, in it is used in rate also, like and this one is here. Hmm. Okay, RAM earns Arias RAM earns Arias, yes, a month. RAM earns Arias 10,000 a month. So rate, like potato sells Arias 40 a kilo. Understand? Rate, dar, in Nepal it is called dar. For that also article A is used. Understand? For that also article A is used. And yesterday I told you article A and N is used. Article A and N both is used. If here is vowel sound, then uh, N will be there. Remember, yesterday I told you A and N is used in three sense. And the first one is here in the sense of uh, one. Second one is any and all. And I have given example also. I have given example also. Next one, the last one that is left over here related with the A. Yes, where A is used. You might have heard with and without. With and without. See here. After with and without, if countable noun is there. What is countable noun? After with or without, which noun? Countable. If countable noun is there, and if that countable noun is singular, remember, if that countable noun is singular, then either A or N is used according to the rule. So, for example, he came with a bag. He came with a bag. The next one, he went without an egg. He went without an egg. With and without. Remember, what is there? After then, countable noun is there. If that countable noun is singular, then remember article a or an is used. Definitely either a or n is used. Understand? Either a or n is used. It is clear. Now where we can't use article a or n, so very simple. Article a and n cannot be used before plural countable noun. Number one is before plural countable noun. Example, we can't write bags. It is plural, so that's why it is wrong. Is that clear? So before plural countable noun we can't use. For example, we can't say an x. It is wrong. This is wrong. We can't use. Understand? Before plural countable noun we can't use article a or n. Next one, before uncountable. Before uncountable noun. Before uncountable noun also article a or n is not used. Before uncountable noun also article a and n is not used. For example, we can see here we can't write a water. It is uncountable noun, so using a is wrong. We can't write a water because water is uncountable. Similarly, well, we can't write an well because it is uncountable. So before uncountable noun also article a and n is not used. And next one, where article the is used, there we can't use article a or n. So this is the rule related with the article a and n. Now time for some questions to be practiced. One number, use a or n. He came with bag, boomer, she ran without umbrella, he is a unreadable person in our society. Junior she bought books in water bottle is bought. Okay, so these five are the work to be practiced. Understand? Next class I will come with the rules related with the article the. So this is your homework. In next class I will give the answer. I will start with the answer of this questions. Okay, so till then, stay home and stay safe. Thank you.